Good evening. It's Jeffrey at Imagineigo with my daily English diary for Tuesday, December 31st. Today was nice and sunny. I did a little winter gardening. I trimmed a few trees. It's New Year's Eve. So I made some business plans for the new year. Then I had traditional Japanese soba, buckwheat noodles for dinner. I'm nice and full now. And ready for bed. Every day I'm posting my short daily diary. It's in easy English, so you can enjoy some listening practice and learn some useful daily conversation. The full text is in the description down here to improve your reading too. So click subscribe and the bell mark below to follow along every day. See you in the new year!